Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05 using your phone. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And at the back side of the charging case, we have also USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port, and on the front side we have this LED light, and we can see it, meaning that your earbuds are charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.